Hi everybody, BlockTech Eve here. Hope you've had a great weekend. And in today's analysis, we will pick up where we left off with the previous Bitcoin analysis. We're taking a look at BTC US dollar. We're in the 1 week time frame. All right, now the previous analysis, we took a look at the higher lows that had been forming on Bitcoin. The higher lows was the channel that we had made over here. This was our resistance level, and these were pretty much the two prices that I'd said we could be expecting some more trading in until the price action eventually broke through. So I'm going to clear these two because that has since happened. We are currently trading our first 1 week candle on top of the resistance. And this is going to be a very important candle for us. We would definitely have to close this 1 week candle on top of which is now our support in order for us to be truly convinced that this is a reversal. All right, because previously we've identified that this is a very, very severe sell wall that's hooked up here between pretty much 40,000 and the 2.618 Fibonacci extension. And we have seen a lot of rejection in this week previously. So we haven't been able, since this failed attempt over here, which was back in February, we haven't been able to close a green candle, this is a red one, a green candle in this very serious resistance zone. So that will be the first thing that we would need to do from a 1 week perspective. All right, this was also just a volume profile that tried drawn up at that time. We can take that out as well. All right, taking a look from the Phoenix ascending in the 1 week time frame. It doesn't look very clear to us at this point. It seems like it's giving us a bit of mixed signals. We've got the red RSI coming up but turning out under 50. We've got the green that just crossed above 50 but also decided to turn out to the side instead. And the blue LSMA is still pretty low. All right, so this seems like a bit of mixed signal to us, possibly like sideways and lower from a 1 week perspective, not really the clear and decisive bullish picture that we would want it to see. And this becomes even more and more clear when we go to lower time frames. When we take a look at the 3 day, we see something that is a little bit unfortunate. We've got two double tops here in the 3 day time frame, which is around about exactly at, let's just drag this out and see exactly what price level we can get there. And they're exactly at the same point, about 42,000 something. And especially in a 3 day time frame, a double top in the candle usually leads us to going a little bit lower. All right, and even though the Phoenix ascending seems favorable in the 3 day time frame, what happens when we go to the 1 day is that now we see the green making sharp contact whilst going down to the 50 line, all right, indicating that this is what's going to catch up in the 3 day time frame, and the 1 week time frame is already not looking great. So we could be trading a little bit lower, and we could be trading closer towards the bases of the Bollinger Band. That would be the first target. So let's pull up the Bollinger Bands. All right, 40,000. Roughly 40,000, that would be our 20-day moving averages. That is going to be my first target. And also just judging by the fact that we saw that very strong double top on the 3 day time frame, I've been saying this for a while we look at Bitcoin. I don't think we are quite ready for a reversal just yet, just because we haven't seen that clear kind of bottoming out pattern that we would have wanted to. We haven't seen that clear bottoming level that we would have wanted to see. Like this level over here has got all the buying pressure, and even though we do see sufficient buying pressure over here, the selling pressure matches it pretty closely, just a little bit higher. All right, so there is a definitive resistance wall over here, specifically at this point. And we can draw in another, and it come from this previous support that we had over here. And this is now our new formidable resistance, because in the 3 day it had formed that double top. All right, so what I'm expecting for now is that we trade a little bit closer towards 40,000 again. Right, of course, this week should be interesting to see what happens in the market, what happens in the world, what happens in the politics and all of that kind of thing. But for now, just given the situation that we see a double top in the 3 day time frame, I think it's safe for us to be trading a little bit lower, perhaps back into this channel. But the first stop will be the basis of the Bollinger Bands, and that would be 40,000. And thanks for watching, guys. That's it from my side. Check out our channels, great additional content on there. We've got a free 3-day trial. Go out and try it first. And hit like if you found this idea helpful. Thanks.